Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel where we make tech and networking concepts simple, visual, and actually fun to learn. If you are into understanding how the digital world really works, you are in the right place. Today we are exploring a topic that quietly powers everything from your smartwatch to the global communication, the types of computer networks. Now think about this. You are texting a friend, watching YouTube, printing a document from your phone, or joining a Zoom call. These things feel normal, right? But behind these scenes, different types of networks are working together like a secret team, each one with his own job, size, and purpose. Some networks are small as your personal space, like connecting your phone to the Bluetooth speaker. Others span around cities or even connect people across the continents. And then there are virtual networks that give you privacy, freedom online, even when you are using public Wi-Fi. In this video, we are going to break down these networks one by one. Based on geographical region, the number of nodes supported by the network, and the speed of the network, we can divide the network into the following different categories. The first one is called personal area network. The second one is called local area network. The third category is metropolitan area network. The fourth category is wide area network. And finally comes virtual private network. I will explain how each one works, where you have probably already used it, and why it matters in our daily digital lives. Let's start with a small type of network which is known as personal area network. A PAN is the smallest type of network, usually limited to a few meters. Think of it as a network around a single person. For example, when you connect your smartphone to the Bluetooth headset or your smartwatch to your phone, that is personal area network. It is private, wireless, and designed just for you. Next up we have LAN, a local area network. This type of network is used within limited area like a home, office, school, or small building. All the computer and devices in LAN are connected usually by cables or by Wi-Fi network. A great example of LAN can be a school computer lab or the Wi-Fi you use at home. LANs are fast, secure, and great for sharing resources like printers and files. Now let's scale up to the MAN, which is known as Metropolitan Area Network. As the name suggests, this type of network covers an entire city or a large campus. It is bigger than LAN but smaller than a WAN. Think about the network used by a group of universities in a city or cable TV networks that connect buildings and blocks. MANs are often used by local government and companies for city-wide connectivity. In Metropolitan Area Network, the devices or the computers can be connected with the help of fastest cable, which is known as optical fiber. In this diagram, you see that all the devices are connected in the LANs are then connected to the Metropolitan Area Network. So we say Metropolitan Area Network is the collection of all LAN such as LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3 and so on. Next is the giant of all, WAN, which is also known as Wide Area Network. WANs can connect computer and networking over long distances, even across countries or continents. The most well-known example is the Internet itself. WANs are built using leased telecom lines, satellites, and fiber optics. They are powerful, global, and enable communication across the world. According to this diagram, when all the local area networks are combined, then it makes metropolitan area network. And whenever all the metropolitan area networks are combined, then they are connected with each other through the wide area network, which is also known as Internet. Let's explore all the different types of network in a single glance. Let's explore how the network scale from the personal to the global by starting from the PAN extending all the way to the WAN. A PAN, which is also known as personal area network, is the smallest type of network which connecting all the devices of a single person within few meters. When your smartwatch synchronizes with your smartphone using Bluetooth or your phone share file to a laptop through hotspot, that is a PAN in action. It is short range, personally, and usually wireless. The next is local area network, which is connecting all the devices within single building or a location, like your computer, printer, and server in a home, school, or office, are all linked through a router or switch. It allows for fast data sharing and local internet access. Now scale it up to a main metropolitan area network. This network connects multiple LANs within a city or a large campus. Imagine a bank with several branches in the same city. All their systems need to communicate securely and quickly. That is what a MAN enables. Finally, we have WAN, which is also known as a wide area network, the largest type of network spanning countries or even continents. The internet itself is the most common example of a WAN. It connects millions of planes and individual users worldwide through satellites, fiber optics, and undersea cable. So from your rest-wide to the World Wide Web, the networks grow in scale, complexity, and range. WAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN each plays a unique role in keeping us connected. Imagine you are sitting in the coffee shop and using the free Wi-Fi to check your email or make an online purchase. What you might not realize is that this public network is open to everyone, including hackers who can easily intercept your data. This is where VPN or virtual private network becomes your invisible shield. A VPN acts like a secret tunnel between your device and the internet. As soon as you connect to the VPN, all the data you send and receive is encrypted, scrambled into unreadable code that only the VPN server can understand. This means even if someone is trying to snoop on your activity, it will be getting nothing. But a VPN doesn't just protect your data, it also hides your real IP address, the unique number that identifies your location online, and replaces it with IP address of the VPN server you are connected to. So if you are in Pakistan and connect to VPN server in the US, the websites will think you are browsing from America. This trick helps you bypass geoblocks, giving you access to content that might be restricted in your country, like streaming platform or certain websites. In short, a VPN gives you privacy, security, and freedom online. It is like wearing an invisibility cloak while traveling the internet, safe from the hacker. Now let's talk about how VPN works. As we know, VPN creates a secure and private connection over a public network like the internet. Think of it as a secret tunnel between your device and the website or service you are trying to reach. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is first encrypted. That means it is turned into unreadable data. Then it is sent to the VPN server, which could be located in another city or another country. From here, it continues to its final destination. This process hides your real IP address and makes it look like you are browsing from the location of the VPN server. It also protects your data from hackers, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. So, whether you are trying to secure your connection, access original block content, or protect your privacy, a VPN gives you private LAN on the digital highway, safe, encrypted, and anonymous. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and network related content. Drop your question or thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay connected and stay curious.